Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing what proves your student status and the app where the discount lives. Open the Barbecue Nation app and sign in. Once done, navigate to offers or account benefits. You must have a valid student ID, physical or digital, because verification can be instant or manual. Also make sure the offer's minimum spend and time windows match your booking plans. This avoids wasted steps later. Save a screenshot of your ID in the app if allowed, so verification goes faster. You proceed to book a table or buffet slot. Pick date, time, and party size, then choose the payment path. When you reach the payment screen, look for a student discount toggle or a promo code field and select it. Then enter the code exactly, including any hyphens. If prompted, upload your student ID photo or connect a supported verification service. This step proves eligibility. Once done, confirm the adjusted total and continue to payment, making sure the discount appears before you finalize. You finish by verifying the discount on the final bill and completing payment. Make sure the reduced amount reflects in confirmation. After payment, save screenshots of the booking, the discounted total, and your uploaded student ID. These are your records if anything goes wrong. If the discount doesn't apply, politely ask venue staff to verify your ID or seek help via the app's chat or helpline. If necessary, show saved screenshots and request manual adjustment or refund.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.